Most people think topics like OSHA, HIPAA, and infection control are the most boring sessions at a conference. But when they're taught the right way, they become the systems that safeguard your patients, your team, and the future of your practice. And that's exactly what I enjoy helping healthcare teams discover. Hi, I'm Kelli Ngariki, CEO of Healthcare Compliance Associates, dental compliance educator, and author of Good Dentist, Poor Dentist. Thank you for considering me for your event. Over the past several years, I've worked with hundreds of healthcare practices across Oregon, helping teams build safer systems, stronger leadership, and more confident compliance programs. My goal when I speak is simple: take topics that often feel complicated or overwhelming and turn them into clear, practical systems that teams can actually use. Attendees don't leave my presentations with a long list of regulations. They leave with practical tools, simple systems, and the confidence to implement what they learned immediately. Before starting Healthcare Compliance Associates, I spent years as both a teacher and a fitness instructor, which shaped the way I present. My sessions aren't lectures. They're interactive experiences designed to keep the energy high, break complex ideas into simple steps, encourage audience participation, and make sure people leave inspired to take action. Conference organizers often tell me they appreciate that my sessions combine high energy delivery, real world examples, and practical systems that teams can implement right away. The result is that audiences leave feeling energized, confident, and ready to put what they learned into action. At Healthcare Compliance Associates, we help Oregon dental and medical practices build smarter systems, safer teams, and stronger compliance programs without adding more to your already full plate. If you're looking for a speaker who can make complex topics engaging, practical, and genuinely enjoyable for your audience, I would love to be part of your event.